All-side classical sports car. We're going to offer you this 1965 Chevrolet Corvette C2. 4-speed manual car, finished in Milano Maroon with matching burgundy upholstery. Beautiful car, imported into the UK from a dry state country in 1994. One owner from 95 until last year, when we were lucky enough to purchase a car and sell it. It's 64,000 miles, done 63,000 miles in 1995. Great MOT history, stacks of old MOTs and everything. It's a great original car rather than a fairly recently restored car. Okay, we've got it running now. It's a 327 CI. It's just ticking over there, burbling away. Just check around the car. Paintwork's very nice. Steel wheels. All the chrome's good. Quite stunning. Inside, again, not a restored car, so the carpets have got some wear on them. The original red leatherette seats are in great condition. Has its dashboard and trims. Clock even works. Just ticking over at 500 revs per minute there. Battery gauge working, oil pressure is good, temperature gauge working, and fuel gauge. All the door cards are in great condition. Pop the bonnet for you. Okay, under the bonnet. .327 cubic inch, with a big horsepower. Not over detailed, but nice and very, very clean. Ticking over lovely. So there we are. We'll pop the top up for you, the soft top, and show you that. And we'll take you for a run down the road. Here's the Corvette with the soft top up, black vinyl. Great condition with clear rear screen. Fits well. Suits the car as well. Obviously the best view is with the top down on a summer's day. There we are. So we'll take you down the road in it now. Okay, we'll just take the road in this Corvette C2. Nice and smooth, powerful through the gears. Already in 4th gear, no point in rubbing these things on because you've got so much torque, don't need it. Steering dead straight ahead, no vibrations. Even the top works. Radio doesn't, it's cool though. You don't need a radio that always sounds as good as this one. Got the top up at the moment, as it's quite a windy day. So there we have it. If you are interested in a beautiful C2 Corvette, please give us a try and come and have a look at it. Pop over the ramp and see how good it is underneath as well as on top. Telephone number is 01507 606 725, or the website is wallsideclassics.co.uk. Thanks again. Okay, we're just going through the paperwork on this C2 Corvette. It was imported by the owner in America, a guy called James Hughes. His name is on the title document. The copy documents there from the States, from Arizona, and also he was the first owner in the UK. He registered in 1994. He sold in 1995. It was sold to an ex-Olympic gold medal winner's family. Name is on the logbook. We obviously won't show you that. They kept the vehicle from 1995 till 2020. In that time, they covered probably about 500 miles with it. We'll go through the MOTs in a moment or two. That's the original advert where the car was advertised in Norwich, and there it is for sale, and a picture of it in the corner of the advert. Okay, right, MOT wise, 1994, the car had covered 63,591. It's now done 64,625, so it's just done over 1,000 miles in that period. Now the MOTs go up for 1994 at 63,591, 1996 at 63,492. 98, 99, just literally miles per year rather than anything else. So it's it's not been used, it's been stood. It's sometimes just done 5 miles or so. We can't guarantee the mileage obviously, but it's a very good history file to substantiate it. So 2006 we go into the newer type MOT at 63,827. 2007 63,864, so again very little miles. Then we go up into the modern MOTs where there's history online, which I'm sure if you're interested in this car you'll have a look yourself. So 2005, 6, 7, 10, so you can see the miles. It's literally done 3 miles every year until we got the vehicle last year. Recommissioned it because it's obviously been stood around, this thing, although it's been for an MOT every year, it hasn't been used. So we MOT'd this car at 64,118 last year, and our customers enjoyed it for 500 miles before trading it back into us for some more classics. So they've got some more valuations and bits and bobs there. Okay, so that's the MOTs. Load of old taxes from 95, always quite nice to look after. We don't have them now obviously. So rack of taxes there. We've got a radio booklet there. We've got a Corvette handbook, a little technical stuff for setting the timing, and also some other workshop bits for distributors, fuel pumps, diffs, etc, etc. So there's all that there. Then we've got a few sundry items, just bills for parts and a little bit of service work perhaps in there. Nothing too substantial, but just a nice, it's all been by the same owner and everything. And there's a little tool there for setting neck points, I believe. So that's all we've got on the little C2 Corvette. So thanks for looking.